Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a reel with photos. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application and click on this reel section and click on this icon on the top right. And now you have the option to create your own reel with pictures. So here you can see plus icon, you simply need to click on that and you can select photos from your gallery. So I'm going to select this one and let me select another. So this one. So now you can see that I have two photos. So you can add music as well from here. So you can add music, you can add text here, you can add poll, quiz. So it is up to you, and you can also add effects. I'm going to add this effect for example to show you. So here you can see, and after that you need to click on next and click on OK. Here you can write a caption and share your reel on Instagram. So this is the process by which you can make a reel with photos on Instagram. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.